Hello everyone, welcome to the video on Encoder Decoder Models by Society of Artificial Intelligence or SOAI. I am Ritul and these slides are created by my colleague Tushar. Let's start. Encoder and decoder models. Let's revisit the task of language modeling. In layman's language, with every given word, we try to predict the next word in the sequence. Suppose there's a total of 10k word in English vocabulary. For each of these words, we create a class for each. In our example, we give an input in which x are the pre-typed words. They go as 1x, x, x234 and output to some kind of neural network. Then we compute some hidden representations h, which is encoding of the given input. Using this h, we predict the output, the word which is going to be the next word in the sequence by using the argmax and softmax functions. Softmax is used to predict the probability for each word in the vocabulary. That's how probably it is. For a word to be the next word in the sequence, it creates a probability distribution. Argmax picks up the word with maximum probability from the whole probability distribution. In this example, encoding is the process in which we pass an input through a network and produce a vector h. That is, input is encoded into a vector h and based on h we compute the final output. Let's revisit the task of language modeling, where y is the predicted word from the whole vocabulary for the given inputs y1, y2 and so on, which are the outputs of previous time steps. Using RNNs for language modeling, we calculate the value of state at each time step using the formula st is equal to wst minus 1 plus ux plus 1 plus b, and using st we calculate the output y. For now, assume W, U, V, B, and C are already learned parameters. Using the training data, at time step t, we calculate the output yt using the previous outputs y1, y2, y3, and so on up to yt minus 1. Previous outputs are using for our model and represents and respectively. Encoder and decoder models. Introducing encoder and decoder model. The main focus of the RNNs is to compute the value of state at the given time step, considering the current input and all the previous inputs. The job of the RNN is to compute the state vector. Further, we want to implement any other model such as CNN, FNN, or any other function on the produced states to produce final output. It all depends CNN upon the required task. In the above task, encoder is a recurrent neural network because it encodes the input into a state vector which is the fed to output layer. Decoder is a model of our choice. It can be FNN, CNN or any other model because it decodes the encoded input to calculate the output. Choice of encoding and decoding models depends on the task. Connecting encoder and decoder model to jars. Task. Task is a sequence prediction task in which we need to predict the output word at a given time step using a sequential input, current input and all the previous inputs. Data. Data is all the large sentences from a large corpus which we train a sequential model. We want the maximum probability distribution over the true output, and to achieve this the condition we need to reduce the loss at every epoch by updating parameters or backpropagation. For that, we need true long sequences act as true level y, which helps to calculate and reduce loss. Loss is the sum of cross entropies at every time step. A compact notation for RNNs, LSTMs, and GRUs. You can see the representing RNNs, representing GRUs, compact notation. representing STMs and compact notations we discussed in the previous videos. Encoder-decoder model for image captioning. So far, we have seen how to model the conditional probability distribution. Informally, we have seen how to generate a sentence given previous words. Now, we want to generate a sentence given an image. Suppose we are given an image in which a man is throwing a frisbee. The expected description of the image should be a man throwing a frisbee in a park. So given an image, we need to generate a sentence which describes the image to the closest. The approach we will follow is we generate a first word based on the image, and the first word we generate, second word, and so on. We now include image as well along with the current and previous inputs. We have already learned about sequence generation model. The only difference here is the inclusion of an image. Previously, as we encoded all the input words into a vector, now we will also encode the input image. Encoder and decoder model for image captioning. There are many ways of making probability yt is j conditional on FC7. Below mentioned are the few options. Here S0 is the starting point. Whatever vector we have calculated for the image using CNN is connected to S0 and then fed to the network further, as when we calculated S2 as a function of S1, which in turn implicitly depend on S0. This makes every state in the network dependent on the image state S0 implicitly. Other option does the same by making states dependent on the state S0 explicitly. We feed the image explicitly or directly to every state or time step. Now each time step at each time step st not only depends on previous input step st-1 but also on S0. A CNN is first used to encode the image, then a RNN is used to decode or generate a sentence from the encoding. Combine are modules to build the encoder-decoder architecture. 6 jars of image captioning. Task. Our task is image captioning. Data. A dataset of images and captions describing the image. X as a dataset of images and Y as the dataset of captions. Model. We should be able to write an output as a function of the input. Our model consists of two parts, encoder and decoder. Evaluation. It depends on the task we want to perform. Note. In decoder, E symbolizes that it is a one-hot encoder. Loss is the sum of the cross entropies at each time step. While updating the parameters, we try to reduce the loss by setting the parameters with most appropriate values using backpropagation. Automatically generating textual description from an artificial system is the task of image captioning. The task is straightforward. The generated output is expected to describe in a single sentence what is shown in the image. The objects presents their properties, the actions being performed, and the interaction between the objects, etc. But to replicate this behavior in an artificial system is a huge task. So, with any other image processing problem, and hence the use of complex and advanced techniques such as deep learning to solve the task. Encoder decoder for machine translation. Task. Machine translation. Suppose we are given an input sentence in Hindi, say मैं घर जा रहा हूँ, and we need to translate it to an English sentence. The task here is a bit complicated, and when we translate a sentence of one language to another, the positioning of the words in a sentence differs with a variable degree. We cannot just translate each word in a sentence of a particular language and another language and place them in the same order. The sentence that we have translated to other language might not make any sense, so the task is to translate a given sentence to a sentence of another language. which makes not only sense but also delivers the right information. Data, a pair of sequences which consists of original language sentences and corresponding translated sentences of the language in which they are to be translated. Model, we just need to keep in mind that the output should be a continuous function of input. We can face problem of vanishing and exploding gradients. We use RNNs. We can use LSTMs to tackle this problem. We have two options. Option 1 is we feed input encoded representation implicitly only at the beginning of the decoder. Note, for encoder we have changed this notation ST to HT. Algorithm gradient descent with backpropagation. Now, the option 2 is we feed input encoded representation explicitly at every time step of the decoder. Note, for encoder we have changed the notation ST to HT. E denotes one hot vector. Encoder decoder model for transliteration. Task transliteration, word to word translation, that is we translate a word written in one language to another language instead of a whole sentence as we did in translation. It is an easier task than translation. Data, a pair of words which consists of original language word and corresponding translated word of the language in which it is to be translated. Model option 1, we feed input encoded representation implicitly only at the beginning of the decoder. Note, for encoder we have changed the notation ST to HT. Option 2, we feed input encoded representation explicitly at every time step of the decoder. Note, for encoder we have changed the notation ST to HT. It denotes one hot vector. Society of Artificial Intelligence or SOAI. Thank you.